what Mr. Garry has here in the new barn. Comes down. I'm getting a bit of water seepage in underneath the garage door. And if I come over here with my hand, you can see that my hand is damp. Good morning, folks. Good morning. What a beautiful, beautiful morning here at the Ole Church, 5 Acre Homestead. Mr. Garry now up early. It's around 7 a.m. and I'm going to turn this phone around so you can see the gorgeous, gorgeous sunrise this morning. And there's that rising sun, folks, up over the old cemetery here next to the old church. Can hear some crows in the background. As I said, it is around 7 a.m. right now. I want to take you back behind the old church because I want to show you something and I want to get your advice on something. Okay, that's the woods room. And I think yesterday I put down this old cushion floor that I got off the marketplace. So I got it for a song. I had to sing an old song, yeah, to get this cushion floor, but it looks pretty good here, right? Got to put down some molding along the four walls, so I'll get at that. But here's my problem. My problem is with the threshold right here. When the door comes down, let me bring the door down and show you. When the door comes down, I'm getting a bit of water seepage in underneath the garage door. And if I come over here with my hand, you can see that my hand is damp. So there's dew running off the door. The door is soaking wet there now. So the dew is running off the door and it's coming in underneath. And I'm sure that in a vicious rain or when snow comes, it's going to seep in underneath. So I need to do something with that threshold. I need to build it up or something. So those of you who experience water seepage in underneath your garage door, wherever you live, what did you do? What did you do to stop the water from coming inside your garage, inside your shed, wherever you got a garage door? So I need to solve that problem, and I need to solve it very, very soon. We're going to be carting firewood in this woods room over the next few days, and I have a surprise for you. I have something to show you. So you're going to have to come over to the new barn with me. There's Freebie, and there's my trailer in front of the new barn. We're going to take a walk over there. It's not that far. And we're going to go inside the new barn. I don't think I've taken you inside the new barn in a long, long time. And excuse my shadow there, folks. It is early morning, and that's why the shadow is casting in the video there. But we'll walk inside, and I have something to show you. Very excited about it, actually. So let me get you inside. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look what Mr. Garry has here in the new barn. I have a couple of cords of sawed up black spruce. Now, we're going to clear away a place over here. I knew it was coming. So the last few days, my son Devin and I, we made this landing over here. Next to the wall there. We laid down some pallets, we cleared away the ground, and we laid down some pallets, and then I got some old OSB particle board, aspenite, that's what we'd call it, and I've got that all laid down there now, so I've kind of got like a nice base that we can pack this wood over here. And of course, we'll be carting about a week's supply at a time into the woods room. So we'll be taking care of all of that. What a nice supply of wood there, right? Black spruce. But now I also want to get some balsam fir, and I also want to get some birch. So I got about 2 cord here. If I get a couple of cords of fir and a couple of cords of birch, I think Miss Betty and I will be ready to fire up the Pacific Energy wood stove and keep the old church nice and warm this coming winter. Even though we've got plans to get a heat pump installed very, very soon. But that's what I wanted to show you in this quick video today. This is only a couple of days away now from fall. This is the 18th of September this morning. Like I said, it's around 7 a.m. It's around 15 degrees out there now. 15 degrees Celsius. Which I'm not quite sure now what that is in Fahrenheit. It's probably somewhere around 60, maybe 62, something like that. Not quite sure. But anyway, today now my son and I, we're gonna pack that all in because we got to get Clementine back in here too, and that's her spot, right where that wood is piled up. So we'll take care of all of that. We got a couple of unboxings to do that I wanted to show you. We got to get those lights in. I've got that pallet buster come. So I got to unbox that and show you how to bust up pallets. So that's coming in a couple of videos very, very soon, folks. So make sure you stay tuned to our YouTube channel. So like I said, be sure to stay tuned, folks. Lots happening here at GBL-The Old Church 5 Acre Homestead. My friend Noel from Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. Noel, if you were here now, you'd help me put that through your log splitter, wouldn't you? That's too funny. Noel is a very, very busy man. He lives on Prince Edward Island here in Canada, and a great man, a great friend, and he does a lot with tractors and firewood. So if you haven't checked out Noel's channel, I'll put a link in this one for you to check out Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood. Now, Mr. Gary's going to sign out. You have a blessed Wednesday, and we'll see you very, very soon in our TGIF in our Friday video. Bye for now. Mr. Gary signing out. Fine supply of black spruce there, Noel, my friend, and all others who come to our channel on a regular basis. And there's Freebie, of course. You can check her out by going to the QR code and getting right into our channel right there. And there's Clementine in all her glory, sitting over there on the grass.